Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The dogs are on one of my favorite trails in the entire world, and I thought I would take you guys along with us. I'm wearing my North Carolina sweatshirt that I got in the airport when I had a layover in North Carolina. I didn't even get out of the airport. I was just really cold, so I needed a sweatshirt. So, we're up in North Carolina. I don't live there. It's pretty cold, hence the attire. Sorry, there are other people, but I'm in like the really far back part of the trail, so most people go on like the paved part of the trail, so I'm assuming there's no people back here, but I don't know, you know? So I don't want to be surprised by someone when I'm like back deep in the woods. But I have my dogs. Whoa! Sorry, Mima. Kind of tripped you up. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera around now because what's in front of me is a lot more interesting than just watching my face. Also, I'm filming on my iPhone, so hopefully the quality isn't too horrible, but yeah, just wanted to take you guys along. I haven't been making too many videos, but I've been feeling inspired lately, so there we go. So hopefully I can make some videos while I'm feeling the inspiration. Ooh, look at this tree. That's so cool how trees can like get like bent over and still grow. Like it's still alive. That's crazy. Sorry, Poppy's pulling me. I would show you more, but of that tree. She's dragging me. Come on, Mom. It's boring. So I've been going on this trail for years. Since I was in high school on the cross country team. Actually how I discovered this trail, and I've been going here ever since, and I love it. There's like a paved part that is easy to run on, and then this is the more like naturey trail part, and I think there's 3 different lakes that you can walk around, and yeah, there's a bunch of trees and shit. It's really awesome. I used to come out here and smoke weed with my friends. You know, high school shit. But this is one of my favorite places, for sure. Definitely my favorite place in the state of Florida, I would say. Let me try to get you guys some cool, artsy, artistic shots. Alright, I think I'm gonna let them off the leash now so I can take some videos for you guys. Yeah, they listen pretty well. But I just don't want them to run into any animals or anything, you know? But again, it's been pretty cold, so I don't think there's gonna be any, oh, she's pooping. Yeah, it's been pretty cold, so I don't think there'll be any like snakes or any alligators that are active right now. Once again, I do live in Florida, so I always have to be careful of that. Especially with my babies. Especially this one. They got their leashes all tangled up. Oh jeez. Let me try to untangle this with one hand. That would be fun. Wow. Look at that. talent. Oh. See, all these trees are just like falling over, but they're, well, that one I don't think is still growing, obviously, but this one actually might still be growing. Yep, it is. It definitely is. See those green leaves? Oh wait, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. I was wrong. Those green leaves are coming from here. So that's dead. Dead. They have their matching little dog tags that I made for them. Here's the other lake over here. This one's over here, and this one's over here. To my right and to my left. Hold on, baby, stay with me. Good girls. Good girls, stay with me. Ooh, how cute. I kind of want to like take them home. Watch out, there's cacti. Watch out! Whoa! Oh my gosh, guys. Look at these. It's blooming. Wow. It looks like someone like stepped on it or something. Jeez. Oh. I want to like take it home and rescue it. Whoa! Careful, step on the cacti. Oh, hurt. Ow, hurt. Wow, guys, look. Inside. I don't think I've ever. Oh, there's a giant mosquito right there. That's disgusting. Ew, I hope it doesn't fly off and eat me. I've never seen the inside. I don't think I've ever seen. Oh wow, look at those giant spikes. That would hurt. Ouch. Watch out! Watch out! Oh my gosh. Fearless. Yeah, I don't know if I want one of these actually. Never mind. They'll kill all my cats and my dogs. Alright, guys. We're going next. Poppy wants to go that way, Mia wants to go that way. Which way should we go, guys? Should we go that way? That way. I guess we're on this way. Poppy's kind of a follower. Mia's kind of the leader, honestly, so. Kind of figured we would go with Mia's choice. This is the long way, the back way. We might encounter some, well, I don't know, it's kind of cold out, so we might not encounter some snakes, but hopefully we don't encounter any animals besides my 2 baby dogs. Hopefully we don't encounter any people back here either, because I don't like people. Especially when you're back in the woods, kind of sketchy, you know? But I have my pepper spray, so no worries. And my giant dog, it's very protective. And my little baby dog, that's very good at barking. Woo-hoo. Poppy's like pulling me and he's like trailing behind me. Like, I'm I've never been here before, Mom. Poppy's been here like a while ago, but I guess she remembers. What the heck is that? A tree fell. A tree fell on our bridge. She was like, I know how to do it. Mia loves walking on trees and stuff. It's so funny. She loves to like walk on little balance beams or little bricks or whatever. You got it, Pops. Good girl. Good job. Careful. Good girls. Yes, you are. Good girls. Trying to not be shaky. Hopefully it's not too shaky for you guys to actually enjoy the video. If it's shaky, I apologize. I am walking on the trail. Oh gosh. I'm gonna go on slow. I'll go around here actually. You guys can go that way. I'll go the other way. That's the end of the trail. That's the gate. This is the last loop. She's so cute. She like prepares herself to jump over. Ready? Go! Jump! Good girl. Good stay. Good stay. Good girls. Pop up. This way. Come on. Good girl. Come on, Mia. This way. Come. Poppy's such a good girl. Mia's such a good girl. Good girl. This is the way. This way. Yep, this way. Good girl. Come on. Come on. So pretty. So I wasn't really planning to talk to you guys about my rise in art in this video, but I did want to mention it because other dog types. Poppy has hers, and Mia, come on. Good girl. Good girl. And Mia has hers. Good girl. And they glow in the dark. That was my most recent creation. Sorry, let me turn the camera around so I can talk to you guys face to face. Whoa! Oh my gosh, baby girls! Whoa! Hey, careful! You are too rough. Okay? Okay, Mimi. Oh, Mimi. Oh, Mimi. Okay, Mimi mouse. Okay. So I wasn't actually planning on talking to you guys about my resin art or anything like that in this video, but I just wanted to mention about the dog tags that I have been creating resin art, and I have been getting really into it. That was just one of my most recent creations that I've been creating a lot of, actually. And it's so cute to see dogs with their new tags, and the owners send me pictures of their dogs with the tags I create for them. Yeah, I've been creating a bunch of stuff, and it's really awesome, and it's a really cool form of art that takes a lot of patience, takes a lot of time and practice, and it's a lot of trial and error, but it's really awesome when you actually create something that turns out amazing and perfect. Come on, Mia! Let's go! What's the matter? Come! Mia, come on! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Oh my gosh, that was insane. Let me just explain to you guys what happened real fast. Mia is a genius, and we went the wrong way, and I'll show you guys the clip where I was recording it. I was like, come on, where are you going? And she was just sitting there, and I was like, what is she doing? And Poppy wanted to go the other way, and Mia was sitting by the right way, and she wouldn't come until I was like, Mia, heel. And then she finally came, and we went that way, and then we realized it was the wrong way, and we went back, and right where Mia was sitting was the right way, where we were supposed to go and where we came from. Mia is so smart. We should have listened to her. Wow, I'm amazed. This is her first time ever on this trail too. That's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Poppy! Oh my gosh! No, 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 no! No, Poppy, Poppy, Poppy! Get up! Oh! Oh! I was not expecting that. Oh my god! Ew! Oh god! Her little white paws are covered in mud. You are so gross, Poppy. Good girl. Yep, that's the right way. Good girl. Hold on. Good girl. Come on here. Whoa! No! No! Poppy, 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 get out of there! Get out! Get out! Get! Don't touch your sister. crazy. You're a crazy girl. Don't go in there. No, don't go in there. You can't even take any pictures or videos. She's gonna go right in the water. Crazy Popper Lopper. Alright, I think it's leash time. I think we're getting back into civilization. Okay, hold on. Swimmer pops. Okay, we are off on the leash. That's how it became. So let's go this way. Yeah, go. Yep. You're very smart. You're very smart girl. Actually not gonna go the way it came. Because it's a circle. Pop is pulling me. He is dragging me. Using one hand. Talent. And I'm looking out for snakes. Oh gosh. All right. Here we go. Come on, Mia. You got this. Come on. You got this. Come on. We got this. We got this. Come on. You got this. Come on. Come on, Mia. Come on, Mia. Come on, Pop. Come on. You got it. It's okay. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Literally, when I used to take her here, I would have to carry her over that. I'm so proud of her. Aww. I would literally have to carry her like a baby. And she just did it. She just did it to impress her sister. That's so cute. She really has like learned how to be a dog and like taken me as influence so much. Crazy. She copies me like crazy. It's funny. They're so cute when they jump because they like prepare themselves and they're like, okay, I can do this. Alright guys, watch out for snakes. Watch out for snakes, please. If you take your dogs on any trails like this, like super woodsy trails where there's animals, snakes, ticks, whatever, make sure they have the vaccine is called leptospirosis. I think that's how you pronounce it, leptospirosis. And it just helps prevent any diseases from bacteria they may encounter when they're out in the woods like this, if they drink any water like she does. She jumps in the water, she drinks some of it a little bit. Mia even drinks some water sometimes when she's hot. We can't really stop her. We try to like discourage them from drinking water from things just sitting, still water sitting out. That's obviously very bad, but that's why we vaccinate them, and we have them on Heartgard and all of those preventatives to make sure they're nice and healthy and safe, so we can all enjoy nature trails like this. So make sure your dog is on those preventatives if you want to take them on trails like this. And this is the paved trail I was telling you guys about that I first discovered. It's a running trail and a bike trail. There's lots of people on here though, so I'm probably gonna stop vlogging till I get into my car. So I hope people don't look at me like I'm talking to myself. But I will see you guys then. tag soon because you guys haven't even met him yet. And we've been together for over a year and a half already, and we live together, and you guys haven't met him, so definitely need to do that for you. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, click that button down below to see more videos, and I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next